How to play multiplayer in Bonelab Quest 2. The first things first, for you to be able to obtain this game, you just have to log in or to use your Steam platform. Now, the Bonelab game is actually directly from Steam. However, this game does not support a multiplayer mode. What you want to do on your end is to download a certain mod or a multiplayer mod. Now, the one that you will be playing with on your friend needs to download the same version of the specific mod manager. Now just simply head directly and create a new tab on your browser and then just simply type in Bonelab Manager. And here just choose on a specific link that will redirect you to mod.io. So one of your friends that you would like to play multiplayer with needs to download this as well. Now for you to download the file, just head over to the top right portion of your screen under download files manually. Just simply click on download file icon. Now once you've downloaded it, install it, and then this is going to be the instructions for you to officially enable and activate the mod. Now your friends need to do this method as well for you to play multiplayer all together. And that's the very least that you can do for you to be able to play multiplayer in Bonelab Quest 2.